Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Cemetery Boys by Heather Brewer. In this book, Stephen is forced to move back to Nowhere Land, where seems like people are straight out of an Alfred Hitchcock movie and they only see things in black and white. So he is living in Spencer, Michigan, and is completely bummed out about it. But things start looking up when he meets a set of twins. They are the complete opposite of what his dad wants him to associate with, but they are a breath of fresh air to him. So Devin and Kara are the light of his day and bring joy to him. So he starts developing a friendship with Devin and a different kind of relationship with Kara. Only Devin and Kara don't always get along. So our main character, Stephen, feels like he's kind of stuck in the middle of both of them. And then when Devin's friends start hanging out at a cemetery that they call the playground and increasing their activities to pass the summer time, Stephen begins to wonder if he's in over his head. Then stories start to emerge about the city and the town that they're living in, and about how there were bad times and how they believe that it's all because of a creature that roams the night. So now Stephen is completely confused. He doesn't really know who his true friends are, and he doesn't know what to believe. So to find out, read Cemetery Boys. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.